be answering my math homework. Now, the things that are shown here, the given is wx is equal to yx and z is the midpoint of wy. What I have to prove is triangle wxz is equal to triangle yxz, and here's the triangle. Now for my first box, my first statement would be wx is equal to yx, and the reason for that is given because it is shown here, and the same reason is used for the second box because it says here z is the midpoint of wy because it shows here in the given that z is also the midpoint of wy, which is why this is given. And for the third box, wz is equal to zy, and the reason for that is midpoint because it shows here that these two are equal. These two sides are equal over here, and then there's a line that cuts through the triangle, which means there's a line that cuts through the middle of the triangle, which means that these two sides will then be equal because that means the triangle is cut into two equal triangles as well. So that means these two lines are equal, which shows that the middle of wy would be z. For the fourth box, triangle wxz is equal to yxz, and the reason is SSS because if you look at this, there's a line here, there are two lines over here that show that these two angles are equal to these two lines, are equal to each other, which means that when it was cut in half by the line over here, xz, there are two triangles that are created, and because of these two markings on the side, it shows that these two are equal. That means these two triangles are also equal, which shows that all sides of the two triangles are equal to each other. And then for the last, zx is equal to zx because it is reflexive property.